Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to solve this question. Firstly, we have to let c to be equals to x. Let c to be equals to x because we have the square root of x. X power x is equals to 2. Then secondly, we are going to say let t squared to be equals to x by taking the square root of both sides. We have t is equals to the root of x. Then if you take the square root of both sides, you will have that t is equals to root x. Then secondly, we are going to substitute by saying here we have t square is equals to x. Then we can substitute the value of t as x in the equation where we have t raised power t square equals to 2. Then let's square both sides. If you square both sides, you will have that t square raised power t is equals to 2 square. And this is what we get. Lastly, if you can take t square is equals to 2. Then let's take the square root of both sides. We take the square root of both sides. T square is equals to the square root of 2. Therefore, t is equals to 2. Then remember that t is equals to the square root of 2. Remember that the square root may be plus or minus. Therefore, you can say t is equals to root 2 or t is equals to minus root 2. Then you can have the two value of x. Recall that we say t is equals to t square is equals to x. Then we can say since t square is equals to x, then we are going to say we're going to have t square is equals to x. Therefore, we can say here we have t is equals to root 2 or minus root 2. Therefore, we have root 2 square is equals to x. By taking the square root of both sides, here you can have x is equals to 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.